Hey there, my friend. The word I'm going to share with you today is going to be a challenging one. It's great leaders sacrifice. Sacrifice. You know, it's a shame because the word sacrifice today is seen as a bad thing. But the one thing that I know, and I've seen it in my own personal life, is every time I want to accomplish something greater, it requires a level of sacrifice. And it's happened every time since I'm 23 years old in business. I see a vision, my wife and I see a vision, it's a sacrifice. We want to go to the next level, it's a sacrifice. And you just keep on having to sacrifice. And there'll come a point where everyone has to make a decision if the sacrifice is worth it. The problem is that often too many leaders, they want something without a sacrifice, and that's not reality. So as you're coming into this new year, think about the things you want in your life. Think about the things you want to accomplish coming into this new year. And then think about the things that you're willing to sacrifice. Because for everything that you want to accomplish, there's a sacrifice. And you have to say yes to the sacrifice to know then that you could accomplish the vision. Too many people, they say yes to the vision and they don't count the cost. Good leaders will count the cost. And successful leaders sacrifice.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and we'd love to hear from you. Comment below.
I'm not telling you that you have to suffer. That's not what I'm saying. Suffer and sacrifice are two different things. Sacrifice, though, is I want to advance in my career. I got to sacrifice going out with my friends. That's a sacrifice. I want to grow my company. I want to double the size of my company. Well, I'm going to have to sacrifice things that what I used to do, so that I can get to that next level. I want a better marriage. It's a sacrifice. I got to give up some things. Maybe I got to give up my pride and my ego. Whatever that may be, it's a sacrifice. And the more we can embrace sacrifice, the more we can grow. Because you can't grow without a sacrifice. And if you think you can grow without a sacrifice, you're deceiving yourself, honestly. Listen, I care about you. We've been on this leadership journey now for some time. If you truly believe that you can grow in areas of your life and nothing will require a sacrifice, I'm just here to tell you that, hey, that's not the reality of it. And I don't want you to continue to lie to yourself. I remember many years ago, I was at a workshop and I had someone ask this question. They said, if everything that you believe to be true was false, when would you want to know? And the answer, I said, was immediately, right now. So if that's the case, right now I'm letting you know, if you believe that you can grow without a sacrifice, you're lying to yourself. Don't continue to live in that state. Understand that a sacrifice is required to go to anything, the next level in anything in our life, whether that's in our health, whether that's in our finances, whether that's in our relationships or in our business and our leadership. A sacrifice is needed. Count the cost as you go into this new year. Thank you for allowing me on the journey. God bless you. And I'm looking forward to continuing our convo. Hey there, my friend. Have you ever heard of the 21 Laws of Leadership? It's John Maxwell, my friend and mentor's greatest book that he's ever written. It's the most views, it's the most purchases of a book ever. And him and I, a couple of years back, we created a whole digital course for leaders so that they could reach their full potential. I'd love for you to watch it. I'd love for you to purchase the digital course. All the information is in the comment box below.